I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Wednesday evening, a little after 9:30. Another quiet night after some sunshine today finally, and it was able to get temperatures up into the upper 30s to lower 40s, so seasonably cool. The average high is about 38 this time of year, so just a few degrees above that. But conditions are ideal tonight for the temperature to fall off rapidly, so we do expect overnight lows just before daybreak on Thursday to be in the mid to upper teens. So we're going to set up for a pretty cold night. But we're keeping things dry for a few more days. Watching Saturday, not that we're overly concerned about some kind of a blockbuster storm, but there will be a coastal storm. And how close or far offshore remains to be seen, though latest guidance continues to suggest it may be far enough offshore so that we get grazed with some light mixed precipitation. So we'll keep you updated on that. Seeing signs of milder air returning next week. I'll show you that on the 7-day forecast. Skies are clear all across New England right now. Dry air, light winds. And those conditions are usually ideal for the temperature to fall off rapidly. So let's see what we have here. Some precipitation across the southeast will stay away. You know, the pieces of the puzzle that come together to form this coastal storm on Saturday. Let me show you the one across the northern plains, another spinning across the southwest, and both of these will kind of work in tandem, try to what we call phase into one complex system across the east coast, storm system, and then tracking north and east, far enough south of us, at least at this point, so that we just get grazed with some rain, maybe a little wet snow. In the meantime, you see that moisture across the southeast. That's actually heading offshore, so we're going to keep things dry here for a few more days, both your Thursday and into Friday. Get in close here. Let's walk you through it hour by hour, starting off now and take you through the overnight. As temperatures on average are going to head down to about 15 to 20 overnight. So by 7 o'clock in the morning, sunny but very cold start. Plenty of sunshine. Here we are 3 o'clock in the afternoon, topping out in the middle 30s. And then we jump ahead to 6 o'clock in the evening. For the evening commute, we are clear, dry, temperatures down into the upper 20s, nothing too unusual for late January, almost Feb. And then later tomorrow evening at 11 o'clock, clear, and temperatures that are in the middle 20s. So here's how it breaks down for your Thursday morning. 6 a.m. on average, about 17. Sunshine gets to work. Now, by 10 o'clock in the morning, we're up to 30. And then during the afternoon, around 37 with a good deal of sunshine. Not bad. It's one of those sunglasses and warm coats kind of day. So kind of quiet. All right, let me show you a couple of computer models that we use to really predict weather every day. And this is model number one. It's the American model, what we call the GFS. And what this shows is this is Saturday afternoon, and there's the coastal storm, rain and wind. But it is far enough offshore, at least at this point, to just kind of graze the area on Saturday with some rain. Maybe a little wet snow mixed in. But if you're a snow lover, problem here is that there's just not enough cold air for an all-snow situation. So this is primarily mostly rain. And at this case, at this particular computer projection, it would just be some light rain and showers. Now, computer model number two, which is the European model, it's pretty much kind of the same thinking. It's got a storm system just far enough offshore so that we get clipped with some windy conditions and probably some drizzle or some light rain showers. Now, we're still 2.5 days away, so it wouldn't take much to jog this only. In fact, how far away is this? Let me see. Center of the storm. I mean, it's only a couple of 100 miles offshore. So, I mean, it wouldn't take much of a jog to bring it a little closer. And that would just mean a more wind and more enhanced rainfall and maybe a little wet snow mixed in. Bottom line, I just think that Sunday should be the pick day in terms of sunshine. So we're looking good next couple of days. And then there's that precipitation mixed for Saturday. I'm leaning more towards A, it being light precipitation, B, mainly rain, and C, maybe a little wet snow mixed in. Thursday, partly sunny skies, breezy, cool and dry, temperature at 40. And then take note of the temperatures next week, upper 40s. Here we are, low 50s. So setting up for another stretch, at least during that 3-day period next week where temperatures are running above average. So wrapping up, we're pretty quiet next couple of days. Very cold overnight, late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Looking good for your Thursday and Friday. Coastal storm should be far enough offshore at this point to just kind of get grazed with some kind of, we'll call it nuisance precipitation, and then dry weather, some sunshine, or becoming partly sunny on Sunday. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.